So today there's a lot to talk about in the game and the portals. So there is a Hero of the Month, there's Solstice Summon, there's Star Summon. I'm going to skip all that and dive into doing the troop summons because it's been almost like 3 months I've been collecting epic troop tokens, and I think almost every day one pops up from somewhere in one of the chests. So I have been able to collect some 102, which I'm going to use mainly to get the magic troops. I have got, if I can quickly go and check which ones do I have. If I remember well, I think I have nature and yeah, I have got nature and I have fire. I've actually got 2 fire I pulled. So we go in and see how we're able to do on the other 3 colors, because I mainly want one of each color. So let's go. Whoa! So that's a good start. I remember there was a time when I used to struggle for getting an ice mana troop. I just had one, which came fairly late, and then while I had 3, each of all the colors, all the 4 colors, I had just one of this fellow. One of ice mana, and right now, see what popped up. One of the things that really helps is there is 5% extra to get the epic event troop. So 10 plus 5, 15% is what it becomes. Though the focus is to get the event troop, so I'm not so stoked about the ice mana 4 stars because they will be food. Okay, let's quickly, there's a lot. So we get our first magic, which is the ice ones that complete 3 colors. Okay. I just put the do not disturb so that don't pop up. Disturb. Come on. Okay. I think at 50 I'm going to take a break and we'll do the last 50 separately. There's no point in just going on and on. So this is the 4th poster to show. So it's in tune with the stats. This is the 5th to show up, if I remember well. So it's like every 30. Okay, that's the 3rd ice mana. So that's the 6th postcard to show. Because we're on track for or rather behind, I would say a little. And that's the 7th. Now we're on track. And the last for now. Okay, so I will do the balance 50 in a bit. The good part is we have this, we have this, we need one of this, and we need one of this. It's worthwhile having these epic troop tokens saved, because then one can pull in the specific troop summon without spending anything. So cheers, and catch you in the second portion of the video. So I'm going to dive in and use the balance 50. So I'm done with these troops, and hope I get the dark and the holy copies. So let's go. So I'm going to dive in and do the balance 50 troop token pulls, and hope that I get one holy and one dark magic troops to complete the set. Let's go. Okay, I have a lot of mana troops. And the second one doesn't look such a good percentage so far. 20 pulls give one mana troop. Okay. Yeah, I got the nature, so this is a dupe. Come on. This is the fourth blue mana of the day. So while doing this one, the thought comes, okay, should I space it out? I think I will space the last. So let's finish the balance troop tokens and see if somebody can pop up. Still need the dark and the holy. Damn it. I got earlier the ice. Oh my god, this is the third fire, which means it's going to be a major drama. Can you see 3 in a row? This is absolute bonkers. Get me another. So in 100 pulls, I have pulled a lot, but of 4 stars and magic troops, but I have not got this and this, so that's okay. I'm gonna let them be and see in the next magic portal. Thanks for watching.